Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change the password for Wi-Fi on a Mercusys router. And to do this, first we'll need to open a configuration website, which is mwlogin.net. Log in with your credentials and then we can go for the left side of the site. Select which Wi-Fi connection you want to change the password for. There's 2.4G and 5G. And if you're changing it, I would recommend to do it for both of them. Now there's the password and we can click on it right here to change it. So it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I'm just gonna add 9. Then make sure to save it, and your password for the Wi-Fi should be changed. And keep in mind that when doing this, it will disconnect you from the network on all of the devices, and you will need to reconnect back in by going through the Wi-Fi settings. So let's go for the 5G as well, as I want to change the password here the same way. Save. And now it just disconnected me from that network. We need to go back to the Wi-Fi, select it, and enter our new password. Actually, we need to forget it. And now it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.